What's going on, everyone? I hope you guys all had a great day to the start of the week. Basically, we were off yesterday due to the holiday. We know that everyone's been on edge with the Russia and Ukraine news and updates. I'm sure everyone has probably been glued to their news feed, however it is that you get your news. With that being said, we're going to take a little look at Tesla. I did catch a nice flush on Tesla. I'm going to go ahead and do a trade recap video on that. So if you guys want to see the entry that I took, as well as the strategy on how I was able to come out profitable on this trade to the downside, definitely subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to include that. And by the way, guys, my name is D'Anthony from evolutiontraders.com. If it's your first time on my channel, welcome. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you guys can stay posted. I'm a full-time day trader and option scalper. I do technical analysis videos, breakdowns, show trade recaps, so forth and so forth, everything when it comes to technical analysis. But just kind of getting into Tesla stock here. So we did close $821.53. We were down 4.5%. We were down a lot more at one point in time, touching those lower levels of around 800. So where do we go from here, right? Where's the best opportunity for us to make some money? Where's the best opportunity for us to potentially get into something to maybe swing? I really wouldn't recommend swinging any stock in this environment, just due to the fact that news headlines can sway us to the upside or to the downside. But from a day trader's point of view, there's a lot of meat on this bone to make money. Long, short, everything else in between. But what I do not want to do, especially on a stock like Tesla, is I do not want to continuously chase every red bar, every green bar, every red bar, every green bar. Is it going higher? Are we going lower? I'm going to kind of use bigger time frames. So what I'm actually going to do, and I'm recommending and telling everyone in my Discord, all the traders that trade with me, let's kind of stick to the bigger macro levels. Let's use the 1 hour time frame. Let's let the stocks consolidate, and as they break those supply and demand zones from the 1 hour time frame, let's kind of go ahead and take our scalps at that level versus watching the 1, 2, and 5 minute time frames and trying to scalp. It's just there's not a whole lot of room there. You need to be super experienced. You need to have a lot of mental equity, meaning that you need to have a clear mind, because you can really mess yourself up looking at every single stock, trying to find the best one that's moving. So with that being said, I got a couple of levels to give out for Tesla. What I'm looking for and waiting for on Tesla is the 800 break to the downside. So today we had significant selling pressure pretty much since the market opened. So if Tesla does get weak and it does get rejected at the 20-day moving average at $835, I might actually look to start my position there to the short side. If we do close over 835, I'll exit my position. But I'm looking to start my position there and looking for profit taking zone right around 800. And I want to leave a runner. I definitely want to see if it is going to break 800. Does it have more room to the downside? Because I definitely want to catch a bigger piece of that bone. I think that the type of market that we're in right now, we don't really need to take 5, 10 trades a day. We only need to really catch one. If you can catch 1, 2, consider yourself highly lucky. But if we can just kind of sit and stay patient and wait for the bigger levels to confirm, and then take these with size and full confidence, I think that you can really start to make your weekly P&L, taking one good trade every day, every other day. You don't have to take 5, 6 trades every single day. You don't have to trade every ticker under the sun. You don't have to, run to social media to find, what's pumping today, what's squeezing today, what's dumping. You don't need to do that. If we do want to look to the top side, scalpers. Now, this is only going to be for experienced scalpers. You have a little bit of a sneaky area at over $856. If we can get over $856, and normally these plays are going to work best right off of the open. So within that first 30 minutes of the market open, if we can confirm 856, I would look to take a scalp and look for a profit price target zone of around 864. Now, you don't need to catch the whole 10 points. Definitely want to take contracts that are at the money. Okay, so we don't want to be playing $900 strike prices. We want to play something very, very close to the stock price. And we want to get in around 856, and we want to be selling towards 860, 861, 862. We want to cover our position before 864. If you want to, wait for the macro level, you know, a little bit of a bigger level, maybe to where you don't have to be on edge about scalping, what we need to have happen is we need to get back over 864. Okay, so as soon as we can get back over 864, whoops, as soon as we can get back over 864, what we want is a little bit of a pullback. And we want to pull back into that zone between 856 and 864. We want to consolidate sideways, and then we want to push out of this zone. As soon as we can push out of that zone, this is when you're going to want to go long. And when you go long here, you're looking for an initial price target area. If my mouse worked, you're looking for an initial price target area right around here at around 880. And then from 880, you're going to have the 200-day moving average, which is 897. So just keep those levels in mind. Guys, if you are looking to trade with me each and every single day live, definitely join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Join the community, join the chat. There's a lot of training videos in there. There's a lot of great people that you can talk to. Today we actually got on live where we were voice chatting in the Discord, so it kind of helps when you have other traders to surround yourself with. Always a good thing. Also, guys, if you could do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, throw me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about Tesla. Where do you think we're headed? Do you think we're going higher or lower? What are your thoughts on Russia and Ukraine? I would love to hear it. But until next time, guys, I'll see you guys all on the next trading video.